Get on it.
Oh yeah, here it is. It comes with a cool looking sign, tubes. From an old television repair shop or something.
It's electric.
Yeah. Oh, well, I don't know how well I got that. Mike was doing 100 miles an hour, so I did the best I could.
Boy.
Alright. Yeah, you don't see the old signs anymore. Philco, I don't even, Philco's still in business. Huh. Alrighty. Nice, look at the scenery in this place. Pretty neat. Well, these are rolling hills of Pennsylvania. A neat old stone building. Just got a raindrop in front of me. Pretty cool. This is probably an old farmhouse at one time.